if you want to get this look, stay tuned to continue to watch this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a fun look, and I have a new palette that I've been waiting on for the longest, and I will be showing you guys what I will be using out of that palette today. But I'm going to start off using the MacBook first. But I did my eyebrows already, and now I'm going to set them with the Contoursition notebook and Crayon. So right here that I'm touching. We're going in with a big box of 64 shades palette. I literally got this palette today. Before I did my makeup, I got a notification, and this is how it looks, you guys. I'm so ashy, you know, but this is how the palette looks. It's so beautiful. It's like different cities. So I will be going in with Union, that is right here. It have names and all. So we're going back in with the 64 palette and with Lafayette, which is right here. And then we're going to go in with East Carroll, if that's how you pronounce it. Lafayette and East Carroll. I'm going to go back in with that burgundy, the first color that was in the box in the MacBook, and just pat that on the ends. Comment down below if you feel like my glitter looks be bomb, and if you want to see more, smash that like button right now. I'm going to be using the Milani Screen Queen 500 and 530, and I'm going to be putting that on my face. As you guys know, my last makeup video, I said that like they are good, the shades mixed together. So to set our face, we're using Bobby and Raven out of the Contoursition notebook. So for blush, I'm going in with a blush finder, and I'm going to be going on the first page today using the second row in this last box, which is this brown. Highlighter, on the roll highlighter I'm using. I haven't used this in a while, which I am surprised. Set our face again. Our lips, I think I'm going to go in with Murda Matte, and this is a new Murda Matte from the Crayon case. As you can see, the packaging is different, and I have gumbo right here to show you guys the difference in the packaging. So I decided that I'm going to put Hell City on the inside. I want to see how they look. Oh wow. Let's make it bright, because when we put the gloss on top, this is the final look. As you guys can see, I used the Big 64 palette from the Crayon case. I also used the matte book. I also used the Contoursition, used the blush finder, all from the Crayon case. I used Lafayette, Union, and what's that name? Lafayette, Union, and East Carroll, all from the Crayon case in this big palette. I thank you guys so very much for watching my channel, watching my videos, supporting me, subscribing, liking, commenting, because I love to interact with you guys, and I would love for you guys to interact with me. Make sure you follow my Instagram at Kiara_beauty. Make sure you follow my Snapchat at Kiara, and you know, subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, because I do be giving looks, as you can see. And that's on period. You guys love this video, love this look, smash that like button, and we're just gonna peace out. Bye.